Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to strip wood finish on vintage furniture. Stripping wood finish can be daunting, especially when dealing with a valuable antique piece. Stripping wood finish is a delicate process and requires patience, precision, and the right tools. You'll need to gather a few materials, including a wood stripper, a scraper, a chemical-resistant brush, and safety glasses. With the proper techniques, you can restore the original beauty of your furniture and make it look new. In this tutorial, I'll share the best tips and tricks for stripping the wood finish and restoring vintage furniture. So grab your supplies, and let's get started. Stripping wood finish on vintage furniture, a step-by-step tutorial. Are you looking to restore vintage furniture and give it a beautiful new life? Don't let an outdated wood finish stand in your way. This tutorial will show you how to strip off the old finish and give your furniture a whole new look. 1. Gather the necessary materials. You will need a paint stripper, a paint scraper, sandpaper, a paintbrush, protective gloves and goggles, and a dust mask. Once you have these items, it's time to get to work. 2. Put on protective gloves and goggles and a dust mask. 3. Apply a thick coat of paint stripper to the wood surface. 4. Allow the paint stripper to sit for at least 15 minutes. 5. Use a paint scraper to remove the old finish. Begin at one edge and scrape in the direction of the wood grain. 6. If any stubborn areas remain, apply a second coat of paint stripper and allow it to sit for an additional 15 minutes. You can also use the toothbrush to help get into the crevices and remove any stubborn patches of finish. 7. Use sandpaper to smooth the surface of the wood. Start with coarse grit sandpaper and gradually move to finer grits. If you want to, you can also use a power sander to speed up the process. 8. Wipe down the surface of the wood with a damp cloth to remove any dust or residue. 9. It's time to apply a new finish. You can choose from various finishes, from a light stain to a dark varnish. Apply a thin coat of wood finish to protect the wood. Use a paintbrush to apply the finish evenly. Whichever finish you choose, make sure to apply it evenly and let it dry for several hours. 10. Allow the wood finish to dry completely. And there you have it. You've just stripped off the old finish and given your furniture a brand new look. That's it. We hope this has been helpful and you've learned some valuable tips on how to strip wood finish on vintage furniture. If you want to learn more about restoring furniture, be sure to check out our other videos on the subject. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, so you never miss an update. We wish you luck with your project and happy restoring. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.